Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the fail to allocate video memory error code for Indiana Jones, and let's get straight into the video. So for this error, all you have to do is go over to the search bar in the bottom left and then just type in graphics settings. Now once you open up graphics settings, what you want to do is you want to basically just look for the Indiana Jones, or I'm just going to use a random game as an example, and basically once you find that app, you want to just click on it, and then you want to select GPU preference. You want to change it to high performance, because the reason this error even happens is that the Windows assumes that you want to use power saving, but instead you want to use high performance. So just look for the app. You could do add desktop app, and you can do add Microsoft Store app if you can't find it here. So once you do find the app, again, just click on it and then just select let Windows decide, but don't, and then hit high performance. Make sure it's not set to power saving mode. And once that's done, you guys should be good to go. That is basically it. And yeah, so that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.